Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crochet stitches is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable crafts to learn, offering endless creative possibilities from cozy blankets to intricate garments. This video will guide you through a variety of essential crochet stitches, demonstrating each technique with clear instructions and helpful tips, so you can confidently create your next crochet masterpiece, no matter your skill level. Number 5. Whimsical Stitches Amigurumi. Get ready to dive into the delightful world of amigurumi crochet. This book is your guide to creating charming and unique characters. It's more than just a pattern book, it's a journey into creative expression. Let your imagination run wild and bring your own unique style to each project. Discover a collection of adorable amigurumi patterns, perfect for crocheters of all levels. From beginners to experts, there's something for everyone. Each pattern includes clear, step-by-step instructions and helpful illustrations to guide you through the process. You'll be creating adorable characters in no time. With Whimsical Stitches, you'll not only learn to crochet amazing amigurumi, but you'll also discover a new way to express your creativity and have fun. Let's get started. Looking for a unique gift for a crafty friend? This book is the perfect present for anyone who loves to crochet and create adorable characters. What we like? It features charming amigurumi patterns with a modern twist. If you are looking for unique and stylish crochet projects, this book is perfect for you. The modern designs will set your creations apart, making them truly special and memorable. What people say. Patterns are well written with clear photos, which is great for all crochet experience types. It is beautifully illustrated. It is easy to read and understand. The patterns are easy enough for beginners and are so cute. This book has all the info you need to make 25+ super adorable amigurumi plushies. There are so many tips, step-by-step photos, and thorough, well-organized instructions that whether you've been crocheting for years or have only just fallen in love with crochet, you will love this book and get so many fun and therapeutic crochet hours out of it. Number 4. Crochet Cute Critters. Get ready to crochet the cutest critters. This book is packed with 26 easy patterns to create your own adorable animal friends. Each pattern includes clear, step-by-step instructions and helpful photos, making it perfect for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. From playful puppies to majestic lions, there's a critter for everyone. Unleash your creativity and make them all. These charming creations make wonderful gifts for friends, family, or even yourself. They're also great for adding a touch of whimsy to your home. Gather your yarn and hook and let's get started. Download your copy now and embark on a fun and rewarding crocheting journey. With 26 unique amigurumi patterns, you'll have endless possibilities to create a whole menagerie of adorable creatures. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This book offers 26 adorable critter patterns that are incredibly easy to follow. If you're a beginner or just want quick, satisfying projects, it's ideal. The simple instructions make it perfect for crafting cute gifts or adding a touch of whimsy to your home. What people say. This book has a lot of adorable patterns that are easy to follow. Patterns are easy to follow. This book has every instruction you need to make and assemble an alphabet of animals. Each one takes less than one skein of yarn. They are fun to make and turn out really cute. Number 3. Crochet Techniques and Tips. Welcome to our guide on crochet techniques and tips. Get ready to learn new skills and improve your crochet projects. We'll cover everything from basic stitches to advanced techniques. Let's start with the fundamentals. We'll cover the chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. Mastering these is key to any crochet project. Choosing the right yarn is crucial. Different weights create different textures and effects in your finished piece. We'll help you understand the various yarn weights and how to select the best one for your project. Deciphering crochet patterns can be tricky. We'll break down common symbols and abbreviations, making it easy to follow any pattern. Ready to take your skills to the next level? We'll explore more advanced techniques like color changes, increases, decreases, and creating different stitch patterns. The final steps are just as important. We'll show you how to weave in your ends and block your finished piece for a professional look. Encountering problems? We'll provide solutions to common crochet issues, helping you avoid frustration and achieve beautiful results. Feeling inspired? We'll share some project ideas to get you started, from simple scarves to more complex garments. Let your creativity flow. What we like? It's a treasure trove of crochet techniques and helpful tips to boost your skills. If you want to improve your crochet abilities and explore new stitches, this is your go-to guide. It will help you master various techniques and take your crochet projects to the next level. What people say. Everything was explained, clear visuals and all-around good instructional crochet book. The colored pictures were very helpful and the book is spiral, which is a major plus to follow when your hands are busy. This book has beautiful color photos that are clear and with good instructions. It gives you instructions for a lot of stitches that I have never used, and it will be fun using them. I like that it gives you so much useful information, including showing many sizes of needles and explaining what the different types and uses there are for different sizes of yarns and the crochet hooks needed for them. This spiral-bound and soft-cover stitch book has plenty of very useful and good quality photos of each stitch, so even a beginner can follow easily and with confidence. The spiral design is handy. The page design is well thought out, with each stitch illustrated on facing pages, so no flipping to get to next step, with clear and simple explanations. Author also made a point of using yarn colors that make following the creation of the stitch very simple. Number 2. Crochet Stitch Designs Book. This book is your gateway to mastering the art of crochet. It's filled with classic and original patterns to inspire your next project. Explore a world of 500 crochet stitches. From simple to intricate, it has something for every skill level. This collection blends timeless favorites with exciting new patterns. You'll find endless possibilities within these pages. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, it offers a wealth of designs to challenge and delight you. It's the ultimate resource for any crocheter. This book provides everything you need to create beautiful and unique projects. With 500 patterns at your fingertips, your next crochet masterpiece awaits. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This book boasts an impressive collection of 500 classic and original crochet stitch designs. If you need a vast library of stitches for endless creative possibilities, this is the ultimate resource. Its extensive variety ensures you'll always find the perfect stitch for your next project. What people say. The patterns include both written instructions and stitch diagrams along with colored photos of completed work. Each stitch pattern is explained with the standard text with a line for each row, and an accompanying graph. Every stitch pattern is illustrated in a photograph, using off-white yarn against a colored background. The patterns are also illustrated with a drawing of the stitches, so one can see clearly where the yarn goes, and how the pattern comes together. Number 1. Crochet for Beginners. Learn the basics of crochet with this easy-to-follow guide. It's perfect for absolute beginners. This book includes a comprehensive stitch dictionary with clear, step-by-step illustrations. You'll master each stitch in no time. Each stitch is broken down into easy-to-understand steps. Even the most complex stitches will become simple with our visual guide. Practice your new skills with 10 fun and easy projects. You'll be creating beautiful items in no time. This book will take you from a complete beginner to a confident crocheter. Start your crafting journey today. Grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. This book is your key to unlocking a world of creative possibilities. What we like? It's a beginner-friendly guide with clear, step-by-step instructions and 10 easy projects. If you're just starting your crochet journey, this book provides a solid foundation. The easy-to-follow instructions and simple projects will build your confidence and get you hooked on crochet. What people say. Very well put together. The instructions are very simple to follow. I love the options of creating some of the patterns in the book. Teaches you how to read the patterns and some simple stitches. It does a great job explaining all of the crochet stitches, step by step, and also all of the different styles and patterns. Even if you have crocheted for a while, but would like to learn some new patterns, this is the book to get. It does fantastic good explaining things, with step-by-step pictures. Easy to follow instructions and cute patterns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.